Hello YouTube and welcome to another Techsloth video. You can already see the post-its here, so this means I have tested again another external battery pack. This time it's again from RAVPower. It's the version with the 10,400 milliampere hours. And so what did I notice and find out after a couple of weeks of intensive testing? First of all, outside weight. The weight is great, 250 grams around something. This is light, definitely lighter than other models in this price range and with this capacity. But what I don't like is the glossy plastic finish. Glossy fingerprints. This is an external battery pack. You will put it in your backpack, carry it around, and you don't want to take care of it because of this glassy finish. Don't be afraid of scratches. Okay, I've now tested this and I wasn't able to get any scratches in it here under normal conditions. So this is okay. You can design this one, but I would like to bet it. Really liked it better to be matte. This was outside. Oh, of course, they put a little black bag to carry your external battery pack around with you, but seriously, who is using this stuff? On the other hand, they're giving you two micro USB to USB adapter cables here for charging the device and for charging your devices, your smartphones, your consoles, your to-go, your tablets. And I really like this that I don't put again all the adapter, 30-pin adapter, PSP adapter, LG, Sony Ericsson adapters, and all this crap that you don't really need because you already have these adapters, so that they're just giving you two micro USB cables, which are 1/2 meter long, and this should be sufficient. So we got 4 LEDs here that indicates the battery status. So from 1 to maximum. This is not an off and on switch. This is just to see how much power you still got in the device. During the charging process, it's blinking. You can always see the blue lights. They are not too bright, so don't be afraid. Then we got our micro USB for charging and 2 USB out. So one is with 1 ampere, one is with 2 ampere. We got input 5 volt 1 ampere, output 1 5 volt 1 ampere, output 2 5 volt 2 ampere. So, and now RAVPower is advertising the device with 10,400 milliampere hours. So what did I do? I took a couple of cell phones, an iPad mini, a Nexus 7, and I put them into airplane mode. And I noticed and wrote down all the battery indications, percentages, the time, and all the stuff that they needed to charge, and measured it. So, and after a couple of weeks of intensive testing, now I'm done. And what did I find out? RAVPower is advertising the battery pack with 10,400 milliampere hours. You got enough. You won't get the full capacity. There's always, you're losing always something if you transfer it to warmth because of the voltage. The battery percentage indication in your smartphone or in your device is not that accurate. Even in airplane mode, the devices are using power, so it is not. You won't never get 100%. RAVPower itself is advertising with 88% capacity that you will get out. Good, really good battery packs will give you 15% that you will lose. So, and after my tests, how much of this 100% battery capacity will you get? You get 2/3, only 2/3. So this is not really an idle number here. I've already tested the 7,800 milliampere hours version, and it was the same. You get around 66%, and it's still a good value. I have just a problem with RAVPower advertising the wrong numbers. If they said this is not a 10,400 milliampere hours battery pack, it's just an maybe 9,000 or 8,000 milliampere hours battery pack, and you get around and you get these numbers, you get around 6,500 milliampere hours, this would be totally fine, this would be great, this would be fantastic. Everyone would say, wow, what a great device, it's so light, and with 25 to 28 bucks it's really cheap, and I like it, it's thin, it's tiny, it's a good value. But I have a problem with them advertising is with a higher, much higher number than the device will really able to be to achieve. So this is the only thing. But now you guys know what you are buying, what you will get, and you won't have too high expectations here. So this is pretty much it. This was a RAVPower battery pack 10,400 milliampere hours test, and thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.